Oh, welcome to Chaseys Budgies. Anyway, here we go. Let's see what we've got here. Got to stand on my stall to reach the top cages. These are all the hen birds that I've separated out. Been separated now for about a month, so hoping they're raring to go. And then we come down one level, I'll get off my stall, and these are the cock birds. Obviously not going to use all of these, so it's all a matter of what pair are going to look best together. That's my favourite cock bird. I bred him late 16. Another little beauty. Lost his tail last year, hasn't grown since, don't know why. And down to the lower level, this is where I've got my opalines. These are my opaline hens. And these are my opaline cocks. Quite like that one there, light green, and I like the blue as well. So that's about it. They're going to be the birds that I'm going to pair up probably next week now, and hoping they're all going to do the business. See you later.